In today's video, I'm going to teach you to pay off Affirm early. Paying off early is simple, there are no penalties, and it can help you save on interest, so let's walk through it together step by step. Start by logging into your Affirm account using either the mobile app or the website. Use whichever you prefer, the process is the same. Once you're in, make sure you're on the correct account. If you manage more than one email, you may be asked to verify your identity for security, which is normal. Next, head to the Pay tab. In the app, you'll typically find it along the bottom of the screen. On the website, it shows up in the main navigation. This section lists your active loans and any upcoming due dates, along with current balances. Find and select the specific loan you want to pay off. Think of this as choosing the purchase or installment plan you're targeting. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one by checking the merchant, the remaining balance, and the next due date. Now choose Make a Payment. This opens your payment options and shows your current payoff amount. That amount may include any interest that's accrued up to today. From here, decide whether you want to pay in full or make a partial payment. If you select Pay in Full, you'll completely clear the remaining balance and stop any future interest on that loan. If you choose a partial payment, you'll lower your principal, which can reduce the total interest you pay over time and may adjust your upcoming payments. Enter your payment method. You can use a bank account or a debit card. If you already have a method saved, you can select it. Otherwise, add a new one. Double check the details and make sure you have enough funds to cover the amount you've chosen. Bank transfers can take a bit longer to process, while debit card payments usually post faster. Finally, review your payment summary and confirm. After you submit, you should see a confirmation on screen, and you'll typically receive an email as well. If you paid in full, the loan status will update to show that it's cleared. If you made a partial payment, you'll see your new, lower balance reflected shortly. Any scheduled payments will adjust automatically based on your new balance. There are no penalties for paying early, and doing so can help you save on interest. And that's it. Your Affirm loan is paid off early.